Hello everyone, are you ready to test your English skills? Today we have easy fill-in-the-blank questions for you. You can select the correct answer and share your results in the comments below. Let's see how many you can get right. Let's begin.
I am a student. She goes to school every day. The sun rises in the east. They are happy to see us. Can you lend me your pen? The cat is under the table. We played football yesterday. I have breakfast at 7 a.m. every day. It is still raining outside. My mother is very kind. They are at the park now. She drinks a lot of water every day. We were at home yesterday. He went to the shop an hour ago. The children are playing in the garden. She watches TV every night. I am very hungry right now. He has a car. We were at the park yesterday. She's reading a book right now. They come home at 6 p.m. every day. I don't like pizza. The baby is asleep. We study English in school. She always does her homework on time. He went to bed early last night. This is your pen. I will go to the market tomorrow. We ate dinner together last night. She is studying at the library right now. He was not at school yesterday. They wash their car every weekend. I drink coffee in the morning. She goes to bed late every night. He does his homework before dinner. The dog runs in the garden.